Well, today's the day, folks. I can finally declare that I have 2 seeds sprouted for my Single Seed Challenge 2023. If you want to know more about the Single Seed Challenge, check out the description. It was a challenge that was started by Scott Head from Black Gumbo Southern Gardening, and it really is about watching a single seed all the way from the time it starts through the time that it completes its life cycle and creates that next generation. So I am doing the Phil's one, which is a very intriguing tomato. You won't find a lot of videos on this on the internet because it is a fairly new tomato, I think. And I described it in my previous video. I'll put a link to it at the end of this one. But today I am going to be uppotting. This is my 3rd time that I started these seeds because they were just not germinating. Something really poor about the germination rate of these things. So today they're going to get out of this, and you can see that I've got 2 seedlings. I am going to take both seedlings and I'm going to uppot them because I just have had such bad luck with this seed so far that I am not taking any chances. I'm going to have a backup plant. I will eventually decide which one I'm going to keep as my single seed challenge, the stronger plant, and I will follow that one. But for now, these are so young and anything can happen. And I am going to make sure that I am hedging my bets here and putting a second one just in case the first one does not take off. So I'll put a link to the playlist at the end of this video where I'm documenting my journey on the Single Seed Challenge. You can follow along other people's journeys this year as well by searching for the keyword #SingleSeedChallenge 2023. So join me as I continue my journey with my Single Seed Challenge, and let's see how we do. If we are able to get this to actually produce fruit, it is going to be pretty amazing.